Okay.
As a photographer.
Pressure's on. Here we go. All right.
All right. We are going. We are going.
Sorry, we got
Dude.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody. It's great to see everybody. CSA President Campbell and the crew of Artemis II, who will have engineering, technology. But this isn't just about inspiration, but I do believe that that person is alive today. Might be some kids somewhere in elementary school. Have American astronauts and payloads flying on American rocket. I gotta say, guys, and Christina, I'm rather jealous. 12 years since I last launched into space, and then shortly thereafter I left NASA, and I'm really jealous that you guys, and on other planets. We want to learn from those experiences. We've really been leaping forward in ways I don't think a lot of us expected. I'm committed to making sure that we support these ambitions here in the United States Senate. NASA's success is largely attributable to the vision. So with that, let me open it up to some questions. Please obviously use that as an analog. The folks that lived in Biosphere 2 before we did the space.
Senator, thank you. Hello, everybody.
Ariel Monsaxos, and I am the correspondent for Televisa. We are Latin American rich and United States.
Because we might just be 4 people, but we represent teams of tens of thousands, maybe even 100,000 people who are working on this Artemis mission. And it's our responsibility to make them proud by doing our job for mission success. But also we have a responsibility to you all, and that's to carry your dreams, your aspirations with us on this mission, and to bring back the perspective that we gain to you and to share that. So thank you.
It is from decisions, challenging compromises made a decade or more ago that allow us to be the crew of this mission, but we're also aware that Artemis II is just one step on this really challenging, as Reed mentioned, journey to get back to the moon responsibly and sustainably, but also eventually on to Mars. And so the way that we are going to live out that gratitude is by doing our level best to make good on that investment. Thank you again.
Like, how do we measure success for Artemis II? I truly mean this. A human from planet Earth stepping foot on Mars. That is how we measure our success. It's as simple as that. For an astronaut. I mean, the 10 days is going to be extraordinary. We're going to see the Earth from the perspective of the moon. It's going to be something that will touch our souls. But the time between now and launch is equally magical because we will be solving tough challenges with an amazing team on the ground.
When I flew on the space shuttle 37 years ago, we knew we were going back to the moon, but we didn't know how, when. Now we go back not just to go to the moon. We go back to learn, to live, to invent, to create in order to be able to go further, to go to Mars and then beyond with humans.